Now, other things you can do with the onion poultices or the onions that are sitting around, if you've got emphysema, asthma, chesty cough, your kid's been coughing all night and is very restless and not getting the sleep he needs or she needs, you grab a couple of onions, you thinly slice it, chop it all up, dice it all up. So thinly slice it, we just, like so. Keep your fingers out of the way. I'm not much of a chef, but hey, anyone can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Throw your thinly sliced onions into the pot. I sliced them, as you could see. You boil them up, not to cook them, but just to soften them, so the heat can actually transfer into your kid's chest or into the person with the congestion. So you pull out your onions that you've sliced, you grab your tea towel, and you fold it in half and place it that way. Would be best, because you're going to lay the onions down flat here, and I probably should cut them properly, but you're laying your onions out all in a line like here. Try and keep them nice and flat as possible. All your onion, there you go. So you probably got a whole onion there. You fold it like so. It's still steaming, be a bit careful with it. And you'll get a triangular bandage as well. You place it on the kid's chest or the person with the congestion here with the open side facing up. So all the fumes can still come up into the system. So once it's on there, you grab your bandage, and it's really easy to do yourself. I'll show you how easy it is. Ta-da. But as a grown adult, you know to just lay down and not move, right? For a kid who rolls around in their sleep, you're going to want to tie it up. And you probably can't hear me anymore, but that's okay. And that's as simple as it is. For a kid who's just coughing all night, emphysema, asthma, anything to do with the lungs, you can do that. Even to take it to the next level, what you could do is create a cayenne pepper poultice. So you've got your onions that are done there, you get your cayenne pepper, so you've just put that on their chest, 2 paper towels, like so, a bit of olive oil, a splash, about the size of the feet, because this is going on the feet. Cayenne pepper. Don't place the pepper on an oiled hand. It's not going to come off. Note to self. Zala. Then, theoretically, here's the feet. You place a foot there. You wrap a paper towel around it, and then you'd get your cling wrap and wrap that around the base of the foot. And you'd do the same for the other foot. Put a sock on, pull that over the foot, and leave it on while you've got that as they sleep. It can help with all sorts of ailments such as asthma attacks, blah, 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 etc.